Okay, all done. Tri-County Locksmiths on Route 19, Hudson, Florida. Just finished putting the top coat on. These are some of the places where we did a lot of repairs, particularly in these thresholds. Not much light in here, but we did have a few repairs in here. This one in particular was really bad. Fixed that all up. So this is going to be the workshop. Where we entered is going to be the reception area. This is going to be the break room. Here's the bath where we did a cove and a 4-inch baseboard full chip. We had floated a epoxy floor previous to actually putting the final floor on here to kind of even things out yet again. And as you can see, it looks really good. I mean, I don't see anything where it was. Same thing here. Utility room. Cove and baseboards. Floated additional epoxy floor here to even things out. This is where we reattach the floor along this edge. Back to the wall. It's a nice transition right there. And we're all done. Can't wait to see this when all the baseboards are in. And the project is actually final for them. So this was about 1,250 square feet with a couple different floor surfaces.
Pro Tech Epoxy Floors, Newport, Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. Pro Tech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough, and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.